Could it be flowers on my 27-month-old apple tree grown from seed? Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener here, and it definitely is time to get you updated on the apple trees grown from seed. I'm really excited about this episode for a couple reasons. One, it's been, 5 or 6 months since I've updated you on the apple trees. I think they were 21 months last time I updated this series, and they turned 2 years on January 1st. And seeing as how we're about a week away from April 1st, they're technically just about 27 months old. A lot of people have been following this series, and a lot of people have been telling me that, hey, Rob, you know what? It's going to take years and years for you to ever get any fruits or flowers on your apple trees. And I told them, you know what? I don't care. I really am doing this for fun. And I'm not going to lie. I've been saying all along it would be awesome if these trees could actually produce fruit or even flowers for that matter. Well, guess what, everyone? One of my trees is flowering. Can you believe it? Let me flip this camera around, get you updated on all the trees, and show you the one that's flowering. So I thought I'd kick this video off with my 4-year Gala apple tree. You know, this one's just starting to break its buds. Not much to look at here. I just wanted to show you that this guy's still doing fine, just starting to break his buds. We've also got my ones that were planted. This is my Apple Series 2 series. We had 3 apple trees here. They're just starting to break their buds. They're about 6 months behind the other one, so they're about 21 months. And these guys were stunted because I left them indoors forever. But there's 3 here as well. They're just starting to break their buds. But this is not what I'm doing this series for. So you recall that I have 2 of my 27-month-old apple trees grown from seed on this side of the yard. And I wanted to show you one sad thing. I believe that this one has died. I'm pretty sure it's a goner. This is the one, if you look down here, the rabbits ate the roots off of pretty good. And I tried to cover it up, but it looks like it has perished. So that's kind of a sad thing. We're gonna end up pulling this guy out in another couple months if I don't see any bud break, and we'll replace it with one of my apple trees series 2 ones, and we'll just plant that guy over here. This is the one that I've always coined the Twin Towers, guys. And what's really awesome about this one is I want to show this to you. And I said in the beginning. So this is the one that's the Twin Tower one. And I've done very little trimming. You can see that he's breaking all his buds all along here. All right. But check this out. Guys. Got a nice bug there. We got flowers. And we don't just have this one set of flowers coming in here. We have another set of flowers coming in there. And a set of flowers coming in there. Like, are you kidding me? This is 27 months along, and we're getting flowers on this guy. Not on all the buds, just this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. Again, he's just starting to break his buds. And if you look at all of my crabapple trees, they've got their flowers, which is normal. And I never thought, and only it's going on its 3rd year because it's 27 months, we would get flowers on an apple tree grown from seed. And this is only my 2nd best one. He's coming along nicely. He's going to get really filled out this year for sure. This is the 3rd year is when these trees put on good growth. And I've already fertilized the heck out of the base over the winter. So we should see quite a bit of explosive growth. But I am absolutely amazed that we have flowers. I can't believe it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you seen apple trees grown from seed get flowers within their first 27 months? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm lucky. Maybe it doesn't mean he's going to set fruit, by the way. This does not guarantee a fruit set, but for fun, since I have my crabapple trees already flowering, and there's a lot of pollen on them. If these flowers, these sets of flowers could open in the next couple of weeks, and this one will probably open in the next couple of days. Is it possible that I could get some kind of fruit on these right away? It might be more crab apples, but is it possible? I would love to hear what your guys' thoughts are on these. I would love to know what you think. Let's move away from this guy and go to my large one on the other side of the yard. All right, so on this side of the yard, guys, we have the one I first put out. If you've been following the series, this was the one that was out about a few weeks before the last one. But check this out. This guy is doing fantastic. His stem is getting thicker and thicker and thicker. And this guy really broke his buds this year. I mean, look at this. Now, I've inspected all of the ends on this one, and there are no flowers that I could see. So, true to what we expected, you're not really going to get flowers in the first 2, 3, or 4 years on any of your trees grown from seed, typically. But this one is definitely going to be probably out of control this year. I'm going to have to do a lot of topping and trimming to get this guy trained, but he looks great. I mean, look at the leaves on this guy. He's really filling out beautifully. I'm super excited about how he's come out. 27 months along. He's putting on height. He's putting on good branching. I probably could continue to work these branches a little bit better. These two are a little tight here, so I probably could top it right here and allow this branch to come out to give it a better shape. But again, at 27 months, I don't want to do it a ton of topping, or a ton of training just yet. Next year would be the year I do a lot more topping. But anyway, fantastic looking. I'm super, super happy. The trees are coming along nice. I have a feeling that this year is going to be the year that these guys really take off. And again, I'm really excited. You probably hear my voice. I'm really excited about the other tree. So there you have it, everyone. That's an update on my apple trees grown from seed series. We got a lot going on. We got bud breaks. We got some looks like explosive growth that's going to happen. I can't believe that we got flowers. I can't believe we got flowers on one of them. Again, the flowers don't necessarily mean anything just yet. And you know what? It'll be kind of sad if I get flowers after 27 months and they do set fruits and they're crab apples and they're inedible. And then I'll be like, oh, well, now we know. Doesn't matter. I'm super excited. I can't wait to update you on the next update to see what's happened with those flowers. I'll try to get you a mini update on that tree. If not, it'll be its normal 1 month or every month updated as usual. All right, guys. Sorry it's been so long since I've updated the series. I hope you enjoyed the video and the update. I plan on giving you an update on my kiwi series and also on my pear series very, very soon. Probably today as well. We got a lot of things we're trying to do. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. My puppy.